So I wanted to show how you can use the Getting to Know Famous Afro-Latinas slideshow presentation in class. And you know, you would take out that slide, of course, you would delete it, and you can have a student read or several students read this slide about Victoria Santa Cruz or any of the other women that are featured in this presentation. And then there is a video. Well, my school is blocking the video, but there are videos that are embedded in the presentation. And so you can watch the videos. And the videos kind of bring to life they bring to life the Afro-Latina. And with this one, you can turn on the captions if it's kind of hard to understand her English. And it's just a great presentation. It's just, I just love this. Love it, love it, love it. So enjoy. I hope that you have fun with it. And let me know if you have any questions. DM me. Ciao. You can use this presentation as a warm-up. You can use this presentation daily as warm-ups. I had a TPTer tell me that that's how they use these presentations, getting to know you presentations that I have. It's a whole product line of resources. You can assign them digitally. You can post them as a gallery walk. There's just so many things that you can do for enriching students' vocabulary, just getting them to know different people in the Hispanohablante world. So I hope you enjoy. Un beso. Ciao.